looks like my natural lashes. It looks like lash extensions, and it's so easy. Y'all can do this.
Sitting courtside to the game she play. I'm chilling most times, but I blame.
Hey y'all, what's up with it? What's up with it? It's your girl back with another video, baby. Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe like right now. I'm not starting this video until you subscribe. Like, don't you even fast forward, don't you click off, don't do that, don't do that. Subscribe to your girl, okay? Thank you. Today, y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a DIY lash extension tutorial, baby, okay? So I had to go to Walmart and get me some individuals. I looked in Target, I looked in Dollar General to see if they had it, and surprisingly, Target didn't have any individual lashes. So, you know, I said to Walmart. Lo and behold, Walmart had that. I didn't know that these lashes were actually new. I just seen them and I'm like, I gotta get them. I'm gonna be trying these out. I got these are Kiss by Kiss. She wants the lovey-dovey. The kiss, 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 kiss. Now she fantasized by getting with me. And I got the spiky kind because, you know, all that natural stuff, cute, whatever, but with my lashes, baby, my lashes gotta be dramatic. My lashes gotta have some oomph, okay? I want my eyes to be looking like... It says that you don't need any glue, but y'all know I'm gonna use me some glue, okay? Because I want these to last like 2 weeks. And the good thing is like you can do 2 to 3 full applications with these. So it's like lit. If they last for 2 weeks, then I could potentially have these for like a month and some change, and you know, go get another set. It comes with 20 clusters. I went to the dollar store and I got me this glue, the 3D adhesive. Now, I used to do this when I was like, I want to say back in 2017, like when nobody was really doing it. They was just getting their lashes done. I could afford it, but I was just like, don't want to pay that much for some lashes. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get me some from the beauty supply and do it myself. But I'm going to be doing the technique where you put it under your eye, and this is specifically made to put under your eye. I'm trying to get that lash extension look, so it's like, you know, let's go ahead and do it the 2023 way, period, okay? Let's get into it. So look up close. Looks very seamless, very cute, very cute. I'm blotting in all over the lash, the back, the front, and the top, because I'm just extra. Oh, okay, I see you. I see you, girl. I see you, girl. I see you. So that was 2 lashes, so we might only need 4, which is awesome. Okay, so this is the first eye. Look at that. I'm excited. I'm excited because it looks so cute. It looks like lash extensions, right? Period. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm getting the hang of it now, honey. Like, you can't stop me. I absolutely love this. I'm such a happy girl right now. It doesn't make any sense. Like, I love beauty, fashion, anything that has to do with girliness. I love this for me. I love when I'm happy. I love when I find the right products. I love when things are working for me. that I'm trying out. Like, it's just a good time right now. But it's just like, if you're a frugal girl like me, oh yeah, these gonna be a hit every time. These gonna be a hit every time. See, right now I'm frugal, but when I get that bag, baby, I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna go and do the luxury. I'm gonna do the luxury things. You know what I'm saying? But right now, I know how to stay in my means. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people just want to be with it so bad that they will like go outside of their means and just be looking crazy. But it's like, you know, I did that before, but it's like, no, I have a peace about living within my means. Like, it's only going to get bigger and better because, you know, you just being wise with your money and being smart. And when you do that, like, you get an abundance. You just show God how responsible you are with money and stuff. It's not all about you. Your money, when you get money, it's not all just for you to spend and splurge on your stuff. Like, you gotta be a cheerful giver. You gotta be generous with that. But yeah, you gotta be generous with your money. And you gotta be wise so you can grow. Because wealth comes from God, not from our hard work, not from hustle. None of that. It comes from God. A lot of people be like, I got this myself. I got it out the mud. Like, okay, cool. But I want to get mine from God, so it'll last. When it comes from God, it's even more sweeter, okay? It's better. It's better. When your wealth comes from God, nobody can take it away. But when your wealth comes from your hustle, when it comes from yourself, when it comes from the streets, people can come take your stuff away from you because it's like you didn't get it from God. You didn't get it the honest way or whatever. So, you know, I would rather just be frugal, live in my means until God blesses me with wealth, the ability to be wealthy. I cannot wait to do my makeup with these. Oh, I got me some new makeup products too, baby. Oh my gosh. And I got a technique that I like that fits my face. You know, I like that soft glam look. And I cannot wait to see how it looks with these lashes. And I'm so happy because when it's time to put my lashes on, I'll be like that's my least favorite part, is putting on lashes. Like, I like how it look, but putting them on, oh jeez. I'm so glad Kiss came out with this product because now I can just do my makeup and not worry about the lashes. This is gonna be the last one. Ooh, like, do y'all see this? It's so cute. It looks like my natural lashes. It looks like lash extensions, and it's so easy. Y'all can do this. Y'all, this was so easy, so simple. I got done just in time because my camera is about to die. And I hope that this was helpful, very informative. I hope that y'all got it down pat how I did it. And go get you some Kiss. Go get you some Kiss individual lashes. Go get you some. I'm living proof right here. Look how fire it looks like. Do you see this? Yeah, so hopefully these last 2 weeks. But like I said, I can't wait to do my makeup to see how it looks and everything. It's giving lash extensions. And Kiss, y'all did it. Y'all did it. Sponsor me. Before you leave this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you like these kind of videos from me and what else you want to see from me, y'all, because we going up. And please get your girl to 100 subs before March ends or the beginning of April. It'll be greatly appreciated. And we almost there. I'm at like 60 some subscribers, and I thank everybody. I thank each and every one of y'all for subscribing and watching my videos, watching my tutorials, and just even giving me the time of day. So Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. And stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.
Last words, that means you love me. I could give you what you asked for. Say you need a shooter.